Hey folks, thanks for joining us for another quick unboxing video. Today's product is called Plucker Ukraine Quail and Small Chicken Plucker Machine Mini 330. And it is exactly what it sounds like. It is a machine that you put small birds in to have the feathers removed when being used for animal or human consumption. So without any ado, we're going to get this box open and see how it fared in shipping and how much assembly there is. I think this was supposed to be the top. That's not how they set it down, but we're gonna see. Yeah, this might be the bottom. We put it up here on the table in the same way that the delivery service set it outside, but it doesn't always mean that they put them right side up. Hey, right side up. Looks like they delivered it on its side, but that shouldn't hurt anything. It looks like this is actually a kit rather than just the machine. Ziploc. Some different size kill cones here. We don't really use these, but come in handy, I suppose. So there is some weight to this. Slide this off nicely. There we go. Looks like everything fared pretty well here. So the steel frame here. Some kind of plastic housing. It's a little bowed. Plastic chute. Might be an aluminum pulley there. See, we have plucking fingers on the bottom in there to help move the feathers out of the chute. Waterproof on-off switch here. Power cable. these are a lot smaller fingers than are on the machines at our local farm stores. Definitely. Alright. So it looks like the kit here included the plucking machine, what they call kill cones. Looks like 4 smaller ones and 1 larger one. Look at that little thermometer. It's useful because you actually need to scald the birds after they're no longer alive and before they go in here. Helps loosen the feathers so that the little pluckers can do their job. There's a garden sprayer. An adapter for a garden sprayer. Instruction manual, and these are 4 feet that get screwed onto the bottom there. Looks like we have to put a battery in there. Not uncommon. A lot of places can't ship things with batteries in them. It tells you how many it can handle. It's nice that this actually includes instructions for quail specifically, which is what we were getting this for. Nice. They do have support email on here. Alright, well. There it is, our plucking machine from Plucker, Ukraine. Thanks for joining us for this quick unboxing video. Stay tuned for some what I suspect will be trial and error videos. But yeah, we'll definitely give this a try and post the results so you can see how it does. Thanks again, everyone. See you next time.